Nayi-ke into ebalulekile ku-Judgment Night 2026, because i-Judgment Night umngcwabo wenhlupheko, umngcwabo weyikolota. I-Judgment Night umngcwabo we-struggle sempilo yakho, umngcwabo weyigulo zakho. You don't want to miss Judgment Night. Egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha, I am releasing an anointing oil called umanqoba. Uzonqobela izinto zakho. Abantu abanama-financial problem, abantu abathi thina kudala sigula, abathi sesihamba indawo yonke, nangu umanqoba uyaphuma nge-Judgment Night. Come uzosithathela umanqoba wakho. Le oil izotshintsha isimo sakho, izotshintsha isimo sakho, financially, spiritually, material and otherwise. Uyaphuma ke nge-Judgment Night. That night, only on Judgment Night, you need to have it. Listen to me. Uma uqeda ukuthola umanqoba wakho, uthatha iglass emhlophe ekhanyayo, bese ufaka u-26 rand wakho wamacoin, ama-5 rand nama-2 rand. Ngizwe kahle. Follow the instruction. Uthi ma ufakile ke umanqoba wakho eglassini nemali yakho yamacoin, bese uyawubeka for 2 days awusebenzise. After 3 days, every day in the morning, uhighlighter apha ezandleni, uhighlight ebusweni, morning and evening. Uzobona uyawuduma kude, uyawufuna kude, amabhizinisi azovuleka, abantu abakolodayo bazobuyisa imali zakho, imali ezilokhekile kuma-government, imali zerafa, imali zayonke indawo ziyovuleka. Abantu abathi mina ngibhadala isikoloto ngesikoloto, this is your opportunity ukuthi uzothatha umanqoba. Judgment Night 2026. I-Judgment Night umngcwabo wenhlupheko. You are wearing all black. Unxibe isiketi esiblack, ugqoke isiketi esiblack, ijacket eblack. Yonke into yakho kufuna ibe mnyama, because we are taking poverty by horns. Kanti-ke ungakhohlwa ukuthi on the 6th of September it will be a super Sunday. Kanti kulo super Sunday ke ungakhohlwa it will be heels and heads. Wonke umuntu afake leza sigqoko zabo naleya minqwazi yabo lehlala ngathi yawa kanti ayizowa, and then ashaye i-high heel yakhe, aphathe ibhek yakhe, afake ama-gloves akhe. It will be a beautiful Sunday. Don't miss that Sunday. Listen to me. You'll be walking on a red carpet.